Okay, so this is part 2 of chapter 7 of operational systems. So let's continue. So electronic commerce. Now electronic commerce is all commerce done in electronically, right? So this is businesses. So like, let's say you have an online shop. Online shop is a form of electronic commerce. Maybe Facebook Marketplace, maybe Gumtree. All these use some sort of electronic, like the internet, to do business with each other. Now there's three types of electronic commerce. There's business to consumer. So let's look at an example. Let's look at Takealot. Takealot is an example of a business that is to the consumer, right? What about business to business? Business to business are like four businesses. So let's say you're a supplier and you want to sell to other businesses, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to create an online system and online shop, and you're going to sell to other businesses. So you're a business, you're just selling to another business. Consumer to consumer, biggest form, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree. So these are where you as a person can go sell to another fellow human being. So customer to customer. And mobile commerce is like on your phone. So any transactions you do on your phone. So again, it can be your online shops, all that, your Facebook Marketplace, all these transactions take place through mobile. Now, what is the production and supply chain management? Now, what is supply chain management? The supply chain is literally from the time you get your raw materials of a product that you make till all the way to when the product is sold. So your manufacturing of the product, you making the product, getting the product at the shop, selling the product, getting the money to the product, customer services, till the customer is sold. So basically from the beginning of the process of manufacturing the good to the end of the process of manufacturing the good. That's your supply chain. So your production and supply chain management is basically ensuring that the production of the good. So now the production, ERP production plan processes. So basically an ERP will look at your sales figure, and based on your sales figure is going to say, okay, because you made 1,000 in sales of a certain product, you need to manufacture 1,000 of this product this year. And it could say, okay, if this product is not doing too well, don't waste your time producing it because you're going to make a loss. So an ERP will basically look at all this production, the management of the supply chain, and evaluate what it needs to do. Then the ERP production processes, so same thing, detailed scheduling. So it will tell you exactly what to manufacture, how to manufacture, how long to manufacture a certain product. You do not want to spend too much time manufacturing a product, right? Opportunity cost, eco students. And purchasing, right? What raw materials to purchase. Are you going to purchase a raw material which in the past people did not like? You got many returns. So this ERP system will look at the production, evaluate it, make decisions for you what to do. Customer relationship management, CRM. Now customer relationship management is basically ensuring the customer is smiling at the end of the day. So you basically have all your customers' details. It has their addresses, their phone numbers, maybe reviews, maybe a feedback, maybe emails. So like, let's say you have a problem on a website and you need to email somebody in the business, you can do that. Maybe live chat. So all this, also marketing, so advertising to your customers. Anything related to customers are basically on the CRM. Now the sales ordering. So sales ordering is done the customers, right? So when a customer orders good, it records his purchases. So then what it does, it needs to record what goods they bought, because what goods they bought are goods that are going out from the business. So as you could see, the ERP system, all these small systems like the sales ordering system, it feeds into the ERP. So now all the sales that are done in this business will go to the ERP and get stored over there. And then your international issues now. Issues, this is obvious, right? When you got your operating systems, there'll be different languages and cultures. So if your ERP system is in English and you go to example China, they're not going to understand the ERP system. No businesses can use it. Different infrastructure and IT. So not a lot of people got big infrastructure such as information systems, computers. They don't have those expensive systems. And laws. So now there's different laws. So like you can't operate a system in a certain country, sometimes there's laws like that, right? And then multiple currencies, very important. If you have an online website, sometimes it's not done in rands, you're doing dollars, so now you have to allocate different currencies to that business. So in summary, the ERP system is basically the system where it is a cloud, and in this cloud you got these small systems, transaction processing system, customer management system, but basically all the small systems feed into this ERP. This ERP is then used to make decisions. It'll tell you what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, or what to do, or it'll help you if you want to know what the sales figure is. Do not need to go to the marketing department. You can just go to your ERP. Your ERP is your best friend. They say a man's best friend is a dog, but let's just say the ERP is the biggest dog ever. I thought that'll hit, but it never hit. But you get the point.